The first product we're going to discuss is the MetaPWR Metabolic Blend. It's the foundation of the entire MetaPWR product line. But before we jump in, you might be wondering, what does MetaPWR even mean? Where'd that name come from? The name MetaPWR has multiple levels of meaning. Meta is the beginning of the word metabolic, which is apt since the MetaPWR product line is designed to support metabolic health. Meta has a further purpose in the name, as the prefix can also mean comprehensive or transcendent. Power, spelled PWR, can mean power, as it's pronounced, while also meaning personal wellness realized. MetaPWR Metabolic Blend features proprietary balanced ratios of doTERRA CPTG, certified pure tested grade, essential oils, grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon bark. Preclinical research suggests grapefruit, with its naturally high levels of the chemical constituent limonene, may support a healthy metabolism when ingested. Lemon is also high in limonene. Meanwhile, peppermint has been shown to help improve exercise performance when ingested. But when all 5 of these essential oils, grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon bark, are combined at the right ratios, something powerful can happen. Preclinical research suggests this combination may actually reduce the size of adipose fat cells when ingested, but more confirming clinical research is needed. Fat cells, or adipocytes, develop and accumulate throughout the body in a process known as adipogenesis. By late adolescence, you generally have developed a fixed number of adipocytes, but they can grow and shrink. Fat cells grow when they retain droplets of fatty acids, usually because we're regularly consuming more food than is needed. It's commonly understood that healthy eating and beverage choices, combined with regular physical activity, can reduce the size of existing fat cells. The peppermint ingredient in MetaPWR supports efforts here by curbing hunger cravings between meals. Recent preclinical research on the MetaPWR essential oil blend suggests it can limit the development of new fat cells and growth of existing fat cells. This is amazing news. More confirming clinical research is needed, and doTERRA is committed to continuing research on this important topic. Daily use of this proprietary essential oil blend can be an important part of curbing your hunger cravings and sustaining your metabolic health. The aroma of MetaPWR Metabolic Blend is a delicious balance of citrus and spice with a hint of mint, which makes it a beautiful blend to diffuse and use aromatically. Aromatic use can create an uplifting, stimulating environment as you focus on mindful eating. Take MetaPWR internally to help curb hunger cravings, reduce adipose fat cells, and support healthy metabolic function. Using MetaPWR internally is designed to be as convenient as possible because it's available in multiple delivery forms. First is a 15 milliliter bottle of the essential oil blend we've been discussing, but you can also take MetaPWR in beadlet or soft gel form. Both the beadlets and soft gels are vegetarian and keto friendly. There's also MetaPWR satiety gum, which you can really chew on when those disruptive cravings hit. With multiple ways to conveniently access the power of MetaPWR Metabolic Blend, at home and on the go, your journey to personal wellness realized just became a whole lot easier. It's also important to know the essential oil blend is part of every single MetaPWR product. This amazing blend supports and enhances the benefits of the MetaPWR system as a whole.